Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on in-app browser on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on these three lines, now click settings, and now click shut settings, and here you will find it in-app browser. Just click on it like this and this will be turned on. And that's it for today. That's how to turn on in-app browser on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.